Little one, are you going to tell me why you were running away from those guards? Oh, no need to point your shiv at me. I've seen bigger. Trust me. A woman knows how to deal with danger in this business. That's it. Your breath is rather ragged, You must have been outrunning your past with speed like that. No need to look so offended, dear. Simply making conversation while you catch your bearings. It's all right. The deadbolt will stop any guard from haphazardly stumbling upon us. I've made sure of that. See, you're not asking the right questions. You seem to think everything's rather hunky-dory, don't you? Where are you isn't exactly a permanent thought. You shouldn't be thinking, who is she? Or should I say rather, who am I? Good. Those eyes are starting to realize, aren't they? There's a glow of delicious fear in them. Quite a treat to look at, aren't you? They call me many things. Shadow Walker, the Killing Breath, Dark Wolf. But you, sweet thing, you can call me Songbird. Now, why don't we get you out of earshot of any unpleasantries? We can take care of those nasty injuries and get you rested and well fed, shall we? You don't have to tell me your sordid little history, but considering I've been so kind as to not turn you over for gold myself, I think you owe me at least the charity of your name. Don't you? Oh, an attractive name for an attractive face, truth be told. I can see why the guards were keen to apprehend you. You must fetch a lot of gold, Especially if you're running away from some crime life, right? You don't seem like a petty thief. You're too put together. Okay, you're right. This is bordering outside merely professional curiosity. Mind you, don't exactly have your hackles up, do you? You seem rather comfortable in my presence, or maybe you're just... She seems really exhausted. I'll just carry her to bed, right? If she fusses, that's her own doing. Poor thing could barely string a thought together. How long has she been out running the guard? Must be ashamed to have nowhere to turn but a straggler like myself. The guards have been terrible lately. The checks, the apprehensions, all these poor city folk ending up in the clique, and for what? The satisfaction of one or two nobles' coffers? Look at her though. She sleeps like a rock, but her mind is troubled. She's writhing, shaking. Are you all right, dear? You had me worried. Yes, I was watching you sleep. I couldn't exactly unwind watching you toss and turn in the sheets, could I? I won't question you for your past, but you're famished, undernourished, and quite frankly, I won't stand for it. If the guards take me tomorrow, then I'll make sure you're at least fed, shall I? I don't think you're in any particular state to disagree. You certainly seem well looked after. Didn't wander out from beneath the rock of squalor, now did you? That finery was my first guess, but I'm certainly not a woman to cast aspersions on first guesses. So you had me colored suspicious. But those delightfully strung out disagreements of yours seem to come off as rather eloquent, don't they? You're a royal, aren't you? Hey, no need to batter the poor door down, eh? What's it done to you? Oh yes, it's locked. That's a crime against humanity, isn't it? Well, howdy do, princess. That's right, isn't it? You're a blue blood. And that's exactly why you're so frightened, right? Afraid Daddykins isn't going to save you and put me on the execution block, An awful shame. I'm wanted across the realm for... what was it last time I checked? Petty theft, larceny, embezzlement, murder, hijacking, highwayman activities, pyromania. The list is getting far too large to remember. So you've calmed down then. You can hate me all you like, little one, but I'm not gonna kill you unless you give me a reason to. Now you can eat your damn soup, get some damn rest, or I can open the door and let the elements take you, shall I? No? Not enthused by that? Fair enough. You seem to have a smart head on your shoulders there, princess. So here's what we'll do. You'll get some rest because you're clearly exhausted. Then you'll eat, recover your energy, and I'll help you get out of here, right? And maybe along the way, you can find the way to pay me some of that royal blood gold, eh? Oh, okay, so you're a small noble house, sure. If you're not willing to tell me now, that's on you, but I feel like you'll tell me what I want to know eventually. Yeah. The bed ain't much for your Royal Highness, I imagine. No? Comfy? Surprisingly. Always a backhanded compliment with you lot, right? Nah. Don't try and wiggle your way out of my good graces. Zip it. Sleep. Get some damn rest before you get put into a coffin. All right? And not by me. I think the natural elements will get to your frail behind before I do. You looked like you were having nightmares though, right? Life's tough for a blue blood. I get it. Yeah. That sounds rough, princess. What's troubling you then? Why run away from home so suddenly? Tired of caviar? Mind you, if I was eating fish legs and gold leaf every day, I would run away myself. Much too fond of the carnivore life, right? Oh, and she's asleep again. Such a weary little creature, isn't she? Seems like she passed out for good this time. Hopefully she's actually asleep, free from nightmares, if one doesn't come knocking at my door.